Welcome to MIT-WPU University. MIT-WPU University, the place which is carrying forward the legacy of 40 years along with it. It is not just another management institute or one more business school in the town, but it is the place where the best of the business leaders are shaped.
The campus life is vibrant. It just not encourages us for participating in different activities, but also encourages in holistic development.
At MIT-WPU, students gain insight into the nature of management and the complexity of organization from various viewpoints. They are equipped with industry-relevant knowledge to apply management theory to practice. The one thing that sets this campus apart is the amazing sense of camaraderie. You're not only learning things, but you're also growing as a person.
You will not only be a part of the institute, but a member of one big family. The family which has got more than thousands of alumni working in several reputed organizations around the world, and still deeply connected to their roots. To all the students aspiring for an MBA, I will recommend to not look any further than MIT-WPU's MBA program. It's a promising choice. MIT-WPU MBA program, making leaders, shaping destinies. Visit our website www.mitwpu.edu.in.